So after you have registered, so this is how to earn, even though you don't have any money to buy. Just registered, verify your account, and come to your profile here. You see referral link. So when you referred, you have one person will give you $5. Imagine we have just 10 people, we have $50. So which is real. So for registering, you just click referred. For you registering for this, and you copy the referral link to your people, like invite friends, you copy, you say copy, it will copy to clip, or so you send it to your people, invite your friend, earn Bitcoin together. This is how we earn Bitcoin. So for you to register for Remitano, the best link for you not to make the mistakes, you can go to my description button and click the referral link. Click it and register. Also, you, after you have registered, send your referral link to people. After then, you continue earning dollars without stress, without even investing any money. You just be investing. It's a practical. I can also show you some of the my deposit investment, my achievements so far, for you to have able to verify that I've able to see the money I've withdrawn from this platform. I don't want to show you from the beginning. I withdraw as much as many. You see, I withdraw 2,000, 1,000, 1,000, 19, 7,000, 10,000, 33,000, 106. As much as that is so many. You see, in another page, you see 11,000, 18, 72, 14, 66,000, 30, 27. I don't want to show you more of this. Let me just go back and see. So these are the, you see the receiver. You see my name. Let me looking at one by one. The receiver 106,000. You see, this is my name, Adele Olusegun Michael. This is under receiver 33,000. This is under receiver. This is 10,000. So these are the achievements. You see the money I've been able to receive from here. So it is very real and genuine. Our website. So for your registration so far, click, you see it from the description button, my referral link. Because we have so many hack websites, this is a genuine website. Just click it directly, link it from here, registered, continue sending your referral link to people, and continue earning money without stress. So don't forget to do so. So thanks for watching this video. If you see what you are doing here is meaningful, just try to subscribe to this channel and put on your notification anytime I'm releasing a video that you can make money. You can be earning money without stress, without investing money in Nigerian. You're able to see the video. So thanks for watching this video. So today we want to teach you how to buy Bitcoin and earn. So the first procedure, you go to a website called www.remitano.com, or in your phone, in your mobile phone, you go to Play Store, you download Remitano app. So after you have downloaded the Remitano app, so the next thing you do, you go to login or registered. You click login or registered. So it will prompt you to three places. So places, either you sign in with Google, you sign in with Facebook, you sign in with your Apple or with your mail, but it is advisable to sign in with Google. So you click Google, so it will prompt up the email that you are going to use. So I'm using the first email, so which is mine. So it will, now it has logged me in to my wallet platform. So therefore we have so many things in this website. I'll be teaching you one by one, so you're able to get it before you're able to buy the Bitcoin. So the first thing you do, I have registered already. So even though you have not registered, when you just click login, it asks for you just log in immediately. After logging in, after you log in, you now back to what's it called, to your profile place, where you are going to verify your account. You come to account verification. In the account verifications, so which is, you come here, you verify your account. So you start with your phone number. the phone number to verify your account. You see, you verify your account. You see, the first one is phone number. You use your phone number to verify. So when you use the phone number, it also has a limit of your trade. You start trading immediately after you use your phone number. The second one is document verifications. You bring your national ID cards and your email and your pictures and others. You verify. You try to know you, because many people are buying Bitcoin from you and you are selling for them, and you too, you are also buying and sell, and you are making your money here immediately. So level 3 is your bank verification. These are this level that you can trade up to 5 million US dollar with your Nigerian naira without any trade, with the bypassings of the CBN rules, and you're able to buy it clean and clear. So therefore, after you have verified your account, so let me now tell you how does the wallet, before you go to the how to buy and sell the Bitcoin, there's something we call wallet. So wallet is where your money be. You know, the cryptocurrency is the definition of the what do you understand by cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a virtual or digital money that represents our money. Is a is a digital money. So therefore, so you now click wallet. How does the wallet looks like in Remitano? Let me teach you how the wallet looks like. So all your money you are in your wallet is estimated assets. So it means that maybe you have in Naira, you have Kenyan cedi, you have Renek, you have Bitcoin, you have, I'm making mentions of coins. So everything will be estimated. My money here is 28,000 Naira. So therefore, now how do you now buy Bitcoin? This is the meaning of the wallet. So we have a Nigerian naira. I use Kenyan cedis to do arbitrage, but I'm going to release a video that talks about Kenyan cedis in the arbitrage. We are not going to that place today. So now, where we are now going to, I want to tell you how does Bitcoins looks like. So now, this is Renek. Renek, it is the coin name that Remitano is using. So therefore, you have a Bitcoin. Can you see? Let's come. You have this is NFT 5. There's a new development in a blockchain now that all the films producing in the film industry, which we call Netflix. Netflix has now come to coin. So you can buy from the film. You can buy the shares in the films. After the films comes out, the product of the film, you're able to share together here as a formula. So we do that one later. So we have USDT and BTC. So therefore, that is all. So from here, that is how we have so many coin. You have BTC, we have Litecoin, we have Tron, we have Ripple, we have Shiba Inu, we have Ada. So we have, I'm trying to show you the coins in case you meet it. We have Binance, we have BUSD, Binance US dollar, we have Dogecoin, EOS, ETZ, Classic, Ethereums, we have Kai, Links, Matic, Perfect Money, XON, Solala. There are so many coins that this Remitano wallet is has listed, and which you can also make money from it. So now the next thing we are going to do, we are going to where exactly we are going to buy the BTC. So now, how do you now buy Bitcoin? So you now come to, you see from the left side of the website, you see buy sell crypto. You click buy sell crypto. So let me explain how this one goes. Now this is the Bitcoin. It will bring you to this page. I'm only just because of our times and I want to make it snappy, so I will only teach you one method today, how to buy the Bitcoin. So it will make it to be fast. So you can buy and you can also sell. So also, if you decide not to buy the Bitcoin, you can change the icon here. You see, let me explain one by one. This is Bitcoin. It will be, this graph will be showing you how it come up and going down in 7 days, in 24 hours. You can have a 24 hours of volume. You can have in 7 days, and this is how it come up and going down. This is Ethereum. Tata, that is USDT. This Tata means that a stable coin is the one that you can put your money. If you desire not to trade anything, you just put your money in dollars, and also you'll be earning money in naira, because naira do move up always. So just this, anytime it come down, you buy. When it comes up, you sell. So that's why you see the graph in a straight line. It does not increase or decrease. It is only naira that increase from it, so and you're able to gain your money. So these are the money that you can buy and sell in Remitano. So, but you have to buy Bitcoin. You click Bitcoin. So now, want to buy Bitcoin, you click buy. So you're able to see. So in buy Bitcoin, you can decide to buy with naira, or you buy directly your BTC. So it depends on if you're able to know how to represent your Bitcoin. But for a beginner like us, like the way you want to buy, let's change it to naira. Let's change it to Nigerian naira. So for say the minimum you can buy is 2,000. You can buy as low as 2,000. You can buy as low as, so, but let's just find like 10,000. You can buy as low as 10,000 naira. Since the minimum is 2,000, so therefore you're able to see it now. So instant buy, best price, receive coin in 0 seconds, no disputes. So because you give immediately, so you now click buy. So it will ask you, your Nigerian naira balance is insufficient to trade, to deposit. So because I did not have Nigerian naira, is telling me what to do. So let's click again, please. So let's say we are to buy the minimum like 5,000 naira of BTC, as low as that. So it's loading. So you click, it's looking for so you click buy. You see, say your Nigeria balance is insufficient to start the trade. Do you want to deposit now? You said yes. So it is now here that if you are to, you can use any of the bank that you believe you can use to buy your BTC. So therefore, you can use PalmPay, you can use Felix Bank, you can use Access Bank, you can use OPay, United Bank. So maybe you are conversant with PalmPay and OPay. Let's use OPay. So you click OPay. So you're able to see it now that he has given you what to do. So amount to pay 5,000, deposit fee. So now he has seen a vendor. Can you see now? So it's very so simple. You will copy it, unnecessary facts. So transfer money to account number 702666. You copy it. The bank name you see to verify. The bank OPay, and exactly with the amount, which is 5,000 naira. Exactly with the fee. Busy. This is my name, Adelekun Segun Michael. Copy. So that's all. So after you just transfer your money, it's so very simple. Within the 0 seconds, you will receive money in your. So you now said, I have paid seller. After you click this, after you have paid truly, you have paid seller, and it will bring a box where you are going to transfer your receipt. You now say, after you have paid seller, it will now give you the Bitcoin immediately. You now go back to your wallet. You come here, you come back to your wallet. So as at then, the money might has come to the Bitcoin wallet here. So you see it here. So this is just the basic step. So how to, so the practical step will see come the video. So if you see what you are doing is meaningful, try to subscribe to the channel. So that is all. So you're able to buy. So the next video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.